I'm with Homer, a new member of our family, and every day this summer we've been touring campus looking at construction projects. Construction projects that have been made possible by very generous donations to Lawrence. We've actually raised close to $17 million in the Be the Light campaign to renew the campus. And today we're going to check out some of those spaces and see the changes that have happened. This area in front of Music Drama and the conservatory is our first step on our normal construction tour over the summer. And you can see the changes here. New sidewalk, new lighting, new windows in the back. It's just really a transformed area thanks to support from an anonymous donor who's passionate about this part of campus and especially the chapel. Here we are at Kohler Hall, a very important stop in our tour. It's really an important building on campus, one of our largest residence halls, named for Ruth DeYoung Kohler. One of the great things about this building is it'll be fully renovated over the next couple of summers, thanks to support by the Kohler family and the Kohler Company. What happened this past summer was we got a new generator, actually a Kohler manufactured generator, to support the building when we have electrical problems. And that's the beginning of a multi-phase renovation of this residence hall. Welcome to Alexander Gym, an area that has been transformed this summer thanks to support from an anonymous donor. You can see where the cars are parked, there's new blacktop, we added lighting, and also there are new plantings that really show off the building beautifully. Here we are in a space that may look completely different than the way you remember it, the space between the Riston Art Center and Memorial Hall, which has been transformed thanks to gifts to the Be the Light campaign. It has new railings, new lighting, new sidewalks, and new entryway to Memorial Hall. This is a space that Homer and I spent a lot of time checking out during the construction period. Here we are at the Viking Room, actually the outdoor space of the Viking Room, which has also been improved thanks to generous donations to the Be the Light campaign. Thank you to all of you who have made possible these projects, as well as others like the renovation of the Bontebal, a number of residential projects, and hopefully next summer, the move of the Center for Academic Success.